Hi everybody and welcome to another exciting recipe of the Robotics Cookbook. In this recipe I would like to talk about the new UiPath Explorer Expert, which is a tool that can be used to simplify the process documentation or to automatically create a good starting point for the process definition document. Before you can start, you have to download the tool from the UiPath website. You just have to provide some information about yourself, about your name and your email address and so on, and then you can register and ultimately download the tool. Once you have successfully downloaded the tool, quickly follow the installation instruction and the Explorer is ready for you. Let's start the Explorer Expert. In the first menu, you can decide whether you want to start with a template or if you want to start directly with the process documentation. Once we have chosen the Capture Process mode, we can see from the window in the upper right corner of the screen that the expert is following every user action. In the following, I show the use of the tool exemplarily on the basis of an Excel file in which I make some adjustments on the data. The small Explorer window in the corner shows you that the software is tracking all the actions that I do. After finishing the capturing of the process, let's see what we got. First of all, we have some rough flowchart of the process that we want to document. And as you can see, we can download it for example, and when we click on the single process step, we can see the screenshots that has been taken for this step. When we are finished with the review of our documentation, we can export the file as a Word file or as a UiPath workflow. Let's generate the Word documentation. Let's have a look on how the file looks like. I think the document that has been produced by the software looks quite nice. Although far from perfect, it is a really good starting point to produce a very sophisticated and professional looking process design document. Alright, that's it for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video and if you have specific questions regarding UiPath and robotics in general, please leave me a comment down below and I will do a recipe addressing your problem. Thanks a lot for watching this recipe of the robotics cookbook. And as always at the end, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it helps me a lot. Thanks.